Henry from OBEDIA PC Audio Labs again. Today we're going to keep working on our tutorial videos on the 11 mkII plugin. So on today's tutorial, we're going to learn the first application of this plugin. Okay, we're gonna demonstrate how to obtain a clean guitar tone using 11 mkII. Once again, we have a DI track. So you get the idea. It's a DI track. It's kind of dull. There's no life to it. It's just a DI. So let's turn it into a clean guitar tone. So let's go ahead and add 11. So we go from our inserts column, we go into any of the available slots, and then we'll go plugin, Avid 11 mkII. And since we're shooting for a clean tone, I'm going to select an amp that I know for a fact is really good for clean tones, which is the 67 Black Duo. Okay, this is an emulation of a really famous clean amp. Okay, so automatically it sounds better, right? Now I like my cleans to have a good amount of low end bass, good amount of treble, and not a ridiculous amount of mids. So let me tweak that. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and play with the volume also. And I switched that bright switch on so that I could get that extra push of brightness. Now, alternatively, you could play with this vibrato here. Let's see how it works. Actually, I don't like it. I'll just keep it just regular clean. Let's also play with the cab. Okay, that sounds good. And then let's play with the speaker breakup, see what we can get from that. And last but not least, the microphone. And that's it. So now we have a clean guitar sound. If we go ahead and bypass that, you'll hear the difference. So with the amp, and then without. That's just the DI. And that's with the amp. So that's it. We just got our own clean guitar sound using 11 mkII, or the 11 mkII plugin included in Avid Pro Tools. Keep tuned because we're gonna have more videos on these applications. So if you have any other questions, please call us from OBEDIA PC Audio Labs and we'll be happy to help you. We will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.
Want to learn how to produce music using this, or using that, or using all of these? Have you been watching videos, reading manuals, blogs, and trying to figure out everything that it takes to be a music producer? Do you have a bunch of music gear that you purchased and you still haven't made any music? Well, then you need OBEDIA, the world's only one-on-one digital audio training and tech support service. Check out the link below for a special new subscriber offer.